Hi, this is Kelly from Motherwell Products. Here we are cutting some 18 gauge cold roll steel, and this is going to be ratchet holders. Now after laser cutting, we're going to the grinding room. Throw our ratchet holders, sanding machine. Just deburr them, take all the sharp edges off them. They'll help the paint stick a lot better. Now we'll flip them over, get the other side done. Same story. This is an incredibly good job. And that's it for the sanding part. Off to the brake. Here we are at the press brake. Let's fire up the machine. So this is what we're doing. There's your bend 1, bend 2. Program 9, enter. And there we are, 2 steps. Pretty simple. Let's grab the pieces. Going down. Stay tuned. Off to the powder coating room.